Hey guys, welcome to Kain Kustom Garage. I'm Dan Kain, and this is my little world. So yeah, I started this YouTube channel. Wanted to show you guys all the cool stuff that I like to do and build and collect. So yeah, let's take a look around. Here's my chainsaws, and axes, and then I got into lanterns for a while there. Lots of camping related stuff that I like. And then I also have a little cable museum here because that's what I do for a job. I'm the cable man. Anyways, yeah, more chainsaws. So yeah, we got lots of stuff to look at. I sort of wanted to feature each chainsaw, take a look at it. Hand saws, bottles. I pretty much collect anything that's cool looking and old. But yeah, and then this is, my first love was always cars. There's some more chainsaws. So there's my trusty steed, my 36 Ford that I built out of a bunch of junk, hauled a bunch of rusty burn barrel shot up garbage from the mountains and pieced it all together. We call her Frankie because it's like a Frankenstein put together from a whole bunch of different cars. But anyways, we'll take a look at her on one of the videos. But yeah, more junk. I like my junk. There's the King's Throne, where I occasionally watch TV. And here's where I work on the old chainsaws. Here's that one that I had in that other video all painted up. Looks pretty cool. We'll put that on the one that I have running, see what it sounds like. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy all this stuff. And I like to share it with you, so keep following my channel and give me some likes and subscribe. Okay, bye.